Teeth are a part of beauty. Beautiful teeth mean beautiful smile. But, for some of our bad habits, beautiful teeth are ugly. Starting from bleeding gums, darkening of teeth, etc. Today we will see how to remove black stains on teeth. Fast. Take 1 tablespoon carrot juices in a bowl. The nutrients found in carrots help improve immunity, including the body's ability to fight bacteria and toxins that interact with the mouth and live within the gums and teeth. Certain minerals in carrots can be antibacterial and help prevent cavities and tooth decay. One tablespoon lemon juices. Yet another great fruit that works also as a great teeth whitener is lemon. Lemons contain a high acid level in the peel, which is a great whitener or even bleaching agent. One tablespoon turmeric powder. Turmeric is a well-known anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial herb, making it useful for home dental care. One study in 2012 showed that curcumin in turmeric can prevent gingivitis or gum disease. It helped remove plaque, bacteria, and inflammation comparably well with traditional mouthwashes when used properly. 1 tablespoon toothpaste. According to the American Dental Association, ADA, toothpaste is important to oral health because it helps to remove plaque and its bacterial buildup on teeth and fights off periodontal disease. Most toothpaste also contains fluoride, which bolsters tooth enamel and fights tooth decay. Then mix well. It is suitable for use, use it once a day. Regular use for 2 to 3 weeks, you will get good result. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.